Haven for Women, a center serving abused and disadvantaged women and children as a private.
President Benigno S. Aquino III.
Hindi lamang bagong taon ang sumalubong sa department. Pinag-deal po talaga tayo kay Karine Bing Sulman. Ano po, grupong di nagdadalawang isip na mag-alay ng kanilang oras, pagod at sarili sa pagbibigay ng pero mas pinapuputol.
Our head of MISS, and we just want to show you this is what we call the situation.
Although this facility houses all of this information, we are also creating option that is of the.gov.ph. Of course, we are putting in as of 21 January. You can see the differentiation of the payouts. All of this information are all of this 1,017 2 million just for G.
Okay.
Well, also to support our technologies here, if we need to verify something to our field office.
Data is data. Unless the people are have access to it or using it.